This is Passion Video Productions. Today we're talking about DJI's Pocket 2, the Creator Combo. My experience using this camera for the last 8 months. I'm not sure how you guys are, but myself, before I'd like to make a purchase, I'm hitting up YouTube or I'm hitting up Amazon and I'm checking the reviews and I'm checking to see what other people have posted to kind of get an idea if I want to make a purchase or not. That's kind of what I'm doing now for you guys. I want to not waste your time. It's a great little camera. It can shoot 4K at up to 60 frames per second. Records at 100 megabytes per second, which means that it's capturing the detail in your image and quality pretty good. It has a built-in gimbal, so you're gonna get some pretty steady footage as long as you're not jerking it around too fast. I won't go there.
Come on now, dog.
There's no cutoff times on the recording, so there's no recording limits, which means you can record for past the 30 minute time cutoff, which standard DSLRs come with. The Creator Combo bundle that I got comes with a wide-angle lens, a do-it-all handle, which allows me to hook up to the camera wirelessly for a microphone, as well as to wirelessly monitor and control the camera through my smartphone. Okay, so this right now I'm doing a test to see if I can get the wireless transmitter to work while it's plugged into the power bank. So let's see. Right now it seems to be charging. The light's blinking, so that's a good sign. And if I come over here and I look at this, it's still showing that I'm monitoring this, so that's pretty cool. That's a cool feature that I haven't heard anybody else mention yet, so I'm gonna mention that for sure. That's gonna be one of the things, I guess. This is a great little camera. Shoots 4K at up to 60 frames per second. Has a battery. The battery lasts approximately an hour and 20 minutes. You're able to hook an external power source up to the battery, which allows you to shoot for longer than an hour and 20 minutes. If you're getting the Creator Combo, you're getting the wireless mic that comes with it, as well as the ability to monitor through your smartphone. These are all great little features that are packed in with this tiny little camera. So I would recommend it if you're looking for something flexible and something very convenient, something that you could just grab on the go. This is it right here. So hopefully this video has been able to give you some kind of value, and if it has, do me a solid and slap the like button. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about the DJI Pocket 2. Is this a camera for you? You think you can see yourself using this little tiny camera, or is this something that you're gonna shake your head at and laugh? I know I doubted its capabilities at first, but after using it for a little period of time, I've come to like it, and I've come to appreciate the flexibility, the portability, and the convenience of this little camera. All right, guys, keep your chin up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I've been knocked down too much to knock it back up, and I bring the house down whenever the odds are stacked up against me. I know no weapon foreign shall prosper. It's tempting to quit now, but I'm refusing the feeling like a champion. I can't sleep no ambient. Feeling every beat I'm landing on, to infinity and beyond. This ain't like I work for this. I'ma show y'all what urgent is.